that we use is simple. We isolate the bacteria from the roots of desert plants. Then we see whether the bacteria can help plants grow better under drought, heat, or salt stress in the laboratory and in greenhouses. Then the bacteria are ready for field tests with various crops.
To test our microbes under field conditions, we grow plants in Saudi Arabia and in the Emirates. Now, under desert conditions, plants do not grow very well, yields are pretty low, and under these conditions we could nonetheless get 20 to 50% increases in yield, which is tremendous. We could show that for wheat, for barley and for alfalfa, which are really important plants in this region.
We isolated microbes that can really make use of the saline water for the irrigation. We tested these microbes under laboratory conditions as well as under field conditions, and we managed to increase the yield. Now we hope that in the future we can provide farmers with these microbes so they can decrease the use of the fresh water for the irrigation, and instead they can use salty water.
Together with 3 students and my research scientist Magid Saad, we decided to form a non-profit organization. The aim of this organization is actually to help poor farmers to increase their yield and to make a sustainable living with the help of our microbes.